Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to create YouTube channel. I click on sign in and I'm using this email address and I'm going to put my password. It has opened for me. This is where we are now. I said no now. So it has taken me to YouTube. I'm supposed to be Folktale by Alice. Let's see. Okay, it have accepted this one. Folktale by Alice. Then I say create channel. Let's wait for it to load. And this is where we are. I say welcome to YouTube. I say continue. It has created the channel and this is our channel page. So as you can see here, channel analytics is currently 0 subscriber. I will go to setting. This is normal. So you have to leave it in US dollar. Then come to channel. Your channel country residence is Nigeria. So I'm going to put Nigeria. So I've already copied this tag somewhere and bring it to this place. So I'm going to go to my studio and paste it inside this keyword space. So then I come to advance. Remember, if you make mistake, if you give this channel a wrong tag, you will be getting wrong viewers. Please make sure you give it the right tag. And I come to advanced setting. I will say I want to review this setting for every video. No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that made for kids. Then come down. Automatic caption, don't show potential inappropriate word. Yes. Come to eligibility. Allow viewers to click my content. It's an intermediate future. Video over 15 minutes. Custom thumbnail, and this one say increase daily view, upload and live stream. So this one I will have to verify my phone number here, which I'm going to be doing later. Then advanced future, also to verify this, I have to verify it with my video. Either I made a video or I upload my valid ID. Then this place I will have access for it. So I will click on save, come back to setting. We already done with this. I'll come to upload default. Now I'm going to put a title that describes my video. Like in this case, anytime you upload video, this place is this way is supposed to put the title of your video, which I'm going to leave it because I'm not putting any video. And here is the space for you to put your description, which I'm going to also paste that keyword I copied. I'm going to also paste it here. So this one will always be here. Anytime I put my description, this one is always here. Then I can now add whatever other information I want here. Whatever information I want here. So I can also see add other tags. Let's check more tags. Now Folktale don't have different tags because they are all one story. So I'm going to see add the tags here. So I'll check it to see if there is a repetition in my tag. So I come now and select visibility as public. Then still add the tag, that tag I put before. I'll still need to add it there, which is this tag. I copy it. I'm coming to paste. I'll go back to this place in this tag and paste it. I paste it here. Then come to advanced setting again. Allow comments. Say here, we'll leave this place like that. Category entertainment, language. Say language and this thing. Language, English, United States, no caption, title, seafood, English, United States, come down, comment is on, so show how many views is also on. Then come to permission. I'm the admin of the group of the channel, so you're going to leave it like this. If I want to add somebody, I can click on invite and put the person's email address and grant the person access. And when I'm granting the person access, left for me, I will only choose the person as manager. Manager can view everything, manage permission, go live and create edit and delete content. Or I'll put the person as editor, can view everything, go live, create and edit content, can't manage permission. You have seen, if I want to employ the person, either if I make him a manager, he will create, edit and delete content. But if I make him editor, he will only go live, create and edit content, but he cannot delete any content from the page. If I make him limited editor, same permission as editor, but cannot view revenue. So the person now, I don't want the person to see how much I will be earning in this channel. So I can make the person a limited editor or just a viewer or a limited viewer. But I don't want to make anybody any manager, so I have to close this place. Then community guideline, manage moderator. There's nobody I'm going to add here. So we click this one, okay? Allow other creators to send their viewers to any of their live stream. Your content can only be selected for a live redirect if it's upcoming or in progress. Then I come down here, say block words. Words I don't want to see. I don't want somebody to say other things. I don't want them to say. And also I don't want people to send a link to my channel. I can block it. Then I will say, I'll come to default, hold potential inappropriate chat message for review. Okay. Or I can still leave it. Then come to agreements. All use of services is subjected to the YouTube terms of service. And I say save. So here come our YouTube channel. Please, if you are getting value in this video, do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you will be able to see it.